हेलो एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल एम ए सिविल लेक्चर्स। मैं खान मोहम्मद मोहतशिम। आज मैं आप लोगों के लिए लेकर आया हूँ एमसीक्यू ऑन सस्टेनेबल रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, जो कि फोर्थ यूनिट है एमर्जिंग ट्रेंड्स इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग का। ये लेक्चर 14 टू 15 मिनट्स का होगा, तो प्लीज़ ये लेक्चर को पूरा देखो। आपको 15 मिनट्स के अंदर 40 एमसीक्यूज विथ आंसर मिल रहे हैं। ये लेक्चर स्टार्ट करने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को रिकमेंड करूंगा कि जिस किसी ने भी मेरे लास्ट लेक्चर्स एमसीक्यू ऑन सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग टेक्निक्स यूनिट 1, एमसीक्यू ऑन रिसेंट कंस्ट्रक्शन मटेरियल यूनिट 2, एमसीक्यू ऑन लेटेस्ट टूल्स एंड इक्विपमेंट यूनिट 3 ऑफ एमर्जिंग ट्रेंड्स इन सिविल इंजीनियरिंग नहीं देखा है तो पहले प्लीज़ उसे देखो, तो आप लोगों को कंटिन्यूटी मिलेगी। आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर टॉप कॉर्नर पे आई का सिंबल दिख रहा होगा। जब आप लोग उसे क्लिक करोगे तो आपको मेरे लास्ट लेक्चर्स मिल जाएंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं एमसीक्यू ऑन सस्टेनेबल रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, a coordinated development and management of water is called option A water resource management, option B rainwater management, option C water supply management, option D water saving management. The right answer is water resource management. Question number 2, 4R includes option A reduce the waste, option B reuse the waste, option C recycle and recover the waste, option D all of these. The right answer is all of these. Question number 3, benefits of source reduction. Option A save natural resources, option B reduce toxicity of waste, option C reduce cost, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 4, which one is not a recoverable energy resource area? Option A LFG landfilling gas, option B methane, option C glass, option D RDF refuse derived fuel. The right answer is glass. Question number 5, which is recyclable material? Option A paper, option B plastic, option C glass, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 6, recover in waste management means? Option A convert waste into a compost, option B convert waste into a energy, option C convert waste into reusable material, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 7, demolition waste obtained from construction site is used for option A construction of walls, option B filling of trenches, option C construction of slab, option D concrete making. The right answer is filling of trenches. Question number 8, fly ash used for construction in concrete to option A increase strength, option B decrease segregation, option D increase workability, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 9, which is not an example of renewable energy? Option A solar, option B wind, option C thermal, option D hydropower. The right answer is thermal. Question number 10, solar panels used to store solar energy are made up of option A glass, option B copper, option C cement, option D wood. The right answer is glass. Question number 11, MRF means option A material recovery facilities, option B material reduce facilities, option C material reuse facilities, option D all of the above. The right answer is material recovery facilities. Question number 12, in last 40 years our population has option A same, option B double, option C triple, option D none of these. The right answer is double. Question number 13, plastic tubes and leads are used for making option A roofs, option B mats, option C bags, option D all of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 14. Dash is the largest PV market in the world today. Option A UAE, option B Dubai, option C India, option D USA. The right answer is India. Question number 15. Steel slag used in option A road construction, option B ground improvement, option C raw material for cement, option D all of the above. The right answer is raw material for cement. Question number 16. India receives solar energy equivalent to option A 1012 kilowatt per year, option B 1022 kilowatt per year, option C 1032 kilowatt per year, option D none of these. The right answer is 1012 kilowatt per year. Question number 17. Biogas plant have been developed in India during option A 1920 to 1930, option B 1930 to 1940, option C 1940 and 1950, option D 1950 and 1960. The right answer is 1930 and 1940. Question number 18. The wind power program in India was started during option A 1981 to 1982, option B 1985 to 1986, option C 1983 to 1984, option D 1987 to 1988. The right answer is 1983 to 1984. Question number 19. India has about dash known geothermal sites. Option A 100, option B 150, option C 200, option D 250. The right answer is 150. Question number 20. Detailed energy auditing is carried out in dash phase. Option A first, option B second, option C third, option D fourth. The right answer is third, C. Question number 21. Blast furnace slag is obtained from option A underground excavation, option B steel plant, option C glass, option D none, not to define. The right answer is steel plants. Question number 22. Plastic roads constructed from the plastic waste are option A less durable, option B economical, option C not suitable for our country, option D none of these. The right answer is economical. Question number 23. The cell which convert energy from sun into electrical energy is option A Daniell cell, option B secondary cell, option C button cell, option D solar cell. The right answer is solar cell. Question number 24. Biomass is obtained from option A ore, option B plants, option C animals, option D plants and animals. Option D is the right answer, plants and animal. Question number 25. A machine which convert wind energy into mechanical energy is called option A wind turbine, option B wind motor, option C wind pump, option D none of these. The right answer is wind turbine. Question number 26. Which is not strategies for sustainable water resource management? Option A non maintenance of water resource, option B rational strategic visions, option C conjunctive regional water supply system, option D reconstruction of water environments. The right answer is non maintenance of water resource. Question number 27. Dash is one of the key measure of resolving water scarcity. Option A trough, option B water saving, option C dewatering, option D irrigation. The right answer is water saving. Question number 28. Prevent water pollution and to reconstruct the water environment are achieved by option A. Environmental protection law and policies. Option B. Water environment education. Option C. Sufficient financial education. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 29. Sustainable water resource management should simultaneously satisfy dash demand. Option A. Social, economical and environment. Option B. Social, educational and commercial. Option C. Water, wastewater and solid waste. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is social, economical and environmental. Sorry. Question number 30. Water scarcity is a result of option A. Efficient management of water. Option B. Effective management of water. Option C. Mismanagement of water. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is mismanagement of water. Question number 31. Hybrid power system is a combination of option A. Thermal energy and solar energy. Option B. Thermal energy and wind energy. Option C. Solar energy and wind energy. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 32. An inspection, survey and analysis of flow of energy in a building is called option A. Energy survey. Option B. Energy audit. Option C. Energy saving. Option D. Energy inspection. The right answer is energy audit. Question number 33. Dash playing a significant role for an efficient management of natural disaster all over the world. Option A. GIT. Option B. GIS. Option C. GPS. Option D. None of these. The right answer is GIT. Question number 34. Various cause of accident at a construction site are option A. Falling of objects. Option B. Improper safety. Option C. Obstruction in movement. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Question number 35. If you live in a moderate or very high risk zone, it is possible that after an earthquake, your dash should become a relief center. Option A. School. Option B. House. Option C. Stadium. Option D. None of these. The right answer is school. Question number 36. Power generation from wind energy is option A. Cost effective. Option B. Very costly. Option C. Required fuel. Option D. Non suitable. The right answer is cost effective. Question number 37. Solar energy is used to convert into electrical energy using option A. Photovoltaic cell. Option B. Ultra emission cell. Option C. X-ray cell. Option D. Dry cell. The right answer is photovoltaic cell. Question number 38. How many blades does a modern turbine have? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. The right answer is 2. Question number 39. The process involving activities that help us to face disaster effectively is known as option A. Disaster preparedness. Option B. Disaster analysis. Option C. Disaster management. Option D. None of these. The right answer is disaster preparedness. Question number 40. Cause of flood are option A. Blocking of river. Option B. Narrowness of the river. Option C. Channels by landslides. Option D. All of the above. The right answer is all of the above. Thank you for watching this video. Please like my video, share my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.